In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a work or school account to Microsoft Authenticator. Microsoft Authenticator is a simple, secure way to protect your sign-ins with an extra layer of verification. Today, I'll walk you through adding your work or school account so you can approve sign-ins quickly and confidently. We'll move at a calm pace, and I'll explain what you'll see on screen so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device. Give it a moment to load the home screen. If this is your first time using the app, you may see a brief welcome screen or a request for permissions, such as allowing notifications. Go ahead and allow those so you can receive prompts later. A reliable internet connection helps everything move smoothly. Next, look to the top right corner of the app and tap the plus icon, labeled Add Account. This tells Authenticator you want to add a new sign-in method. If you're already managing other accounts in the app, you'll still use the same button to add another one. From the list of account types, choose Work or School Account. This is the option used for organizational accounts provided by your employer, school, or institution. It's different from a personal Microsoft account, so make sure you pick the one that matches your organization. When prompted, tap Sign In. This path uses your organization credentials to connect your account securely. It's straightforward and keeps everything tied to your company or school policies. Now enter your work or school email address, then tap Next. Double check that the address is spelled correctly and matches what your organization uses for sign-ins. Even a small typo can prevent the account from being added. You'll be asked to enter your password and follow the prompts. Depending on your organization's security settings, you may see additional steps on screen, such as verifying with a code, approving a notification, or confirming device registration. Simply continue with each on-screen instruction. If the app asks to enable biometric unlock or number matching, that's part of enhanced security. Go ahead and follow the guidance provided. When everything is verified, tap Finish to complete the setup. You should now see your work or school account listed in Authenticator. Some organizations show a 6-digit code, while others use notifications for approvals. Both are normal and controlled by your organization's settings. If something doesn't look right, make sure your device time is accurate, your connection is stable, and notifications are allowed for Authenticator. Otherwise, you're all set. You've successfully added your work or school account to Microsoft Authenticator, and your sign-ins are now more secure and convenient.